Hi, this is Will LeStrange, the Feng Shui consultant, and I just wanted to shoot you a very quick video just to go over a couple of things that we talked about in our conversation on the phone the other day. So this is the Modern Feng Shui Method Transformation Roadmap, and this is basically a visual that I've created for my clients to get a really clear vision about where they are with the energy in their home. So you can see on this diagram, we've got energy that goes from, this is the type of energy in your home, it goes from stagnant to stuck to a trickle to flowing. And depending on where you are with that energy in your home, or what type of energy is contained in your home, that's going to show up in some way in your life over here on this side. And so your scale of energy, or your general scale of well-being, is going to be relative to the type of energy that's in your home. So the reason for putting this together is to help you get a really clear sense about the type of energy that's in your home and how it's affecting you in your life. So if we start down here on stagnant now, if you could say that the energy in your home, you said, well, it just feels really stagnant. Well, over here, we're going to see some of these symptoms of what that stagnant really feels like in our life. This is how it's going to show up. So oftentimes we feel really overwhelmed and stressed by our home. The home is draining your energy, and you're surrounded by blocks and negativity. And in this case, it really feels like your home is working against you. You're surrounded by chaos and clutter, and there's zero energy in the home. And it just has a really negative effect on you. You feel like you're drained of energy, just on a daily basis. It's very hard to get things moving in your life when you're surrounded by all of this energy here. So now, here we've got some keys to success. So how do we use this? Well, if you're just surviving, then obviously the thing that we need to do at this point is just to wake up to the power of your surroundings. Just become aware of that to begin with. That if you're in this situation where it's thoroughly stagnant, then obviously from the conversation we had on the phone, you're already some steps towards waking up to the fact that Feng Shui and the environment around you can have a powerful effect. So here we go, we can just wake up to that. So the next level up, now you may find yourself, describe the energy in your home as that it just feels somewhat stuck. Frustration, confusion often shows up. Maybe you've tried using some interior design or some Feng Shui techniques that you found in books or found online, but somehow you're still left with a feeling of just being more confused and you just feel stuck. Well, that's quite a natural thing. I get a lot of clients come to me with that feeling, where home just doesn't feel quite right. You could almost say that your house doesn't really feel like a home yet. Since you've moved in, you're just really struggling to get it to make it feel like a home. And so the keys to success there is just by taking control of that situation. A big deal with that is to declutter, simplify, and remove objects that foster negativity in your home. Decluttering is a really good thing to do, particularly if you're stuck in one of these two areas. We're often overloaded with clutter and chaos, and it's just very hard to get things moving. So if you're here, then obviously the next stage we want to get to is up here, and then climb up into the next stage as well using these Feng Shui techniques. Now maybe you could describe your home as that there is some energy in your home. Maybe your home is feeling reasonably supportive at the moment, and you're just in a position where you're seeking change, you're ready for a breakthrough, and you're ready to tap into that power in your environment and align your surroundings with purpose and insight. And of course, if that is the case, then you are really ready for transformation, and the energy that's in your home feels like it's starting to expand. You've got this feeling there that's really ready for an expansive experience that's going to take you up to the next level. And of course, what we do here, the keys for success here to get us up to the next level, is to arrange our space for success. And how do we do that? Well, we learn how to master these Feng Shui techniques that are going to empower positive life experiences. So this is where we've got our inner life is being completely, our inner life is reflected by our outer reality. The outer reality is what's going on in our home, and it affects our inner life, our inner energy. So the place we're really trying to get to, obviously, is up here, where the energy is really flowing in our home, where it feels absolutely amazing, where we feel like we're engaged on a journey of enlightened living. You're living in what feels like your ideal home. It's optimized to give you energy and attract success, and to nurture relationships. And this is, you know, that really extraordinary feeling that we get in life when we go into this almost like a flow state where energy is naturally flowing. And there's that feeling where we feel abundant, harmonious, and balanced. And when we're in this state, you know, we naturally become more focused, happier, and healthier. And we're steadily growing into that desired future that we wish for. So this is the power of Feng Shui. So you can find yourself somewhere in this description. You're going to find exactly where you're at in the energy that's in your home and how that's showing up in your life. So we know exactly where you are and what we need to do, which techniques we need to apply to get you into the next level and then up into the top level. So I hope this is helpful, just a quick video. Take a look at this, reflect on this, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can get me on my cell phone here, 502-777-3586. Okay, speak to you soon. Thanks so much.